Hey, what are we doing?
Hot rod power tour.
What's that?
Hot rod power tour.
We are? Yeah. You're going?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what are we going to do now? So, Mom already beat us there. We got to... Yeah, we ain't going to work on it right now, but first things first, we got to figure out where we're going to put everybody, right? And all of our stuff. So, pop her open. Can you do it? Uh-oh. There it goes. Push her open. What do you think? How much stuff can we get in there, huh?
Probably a little bit.
Huh?
Probably a little bit of stuff.
A little bit. It's going to be tight, ain't it? Time we get all our clothes in there and all the crap we got to bring with us. Tools, whatnots. I don't know. How much stuff you think we're going to have in the back seat? I mean, really, if you think about it, there's the same amount of room there except for the height as the Jeep. Huh? Well, that's where the kids lay. That's where I laid. I went all the way to Florida in the back of a Buick. But, I don't know. Think we can do it?
Yeah.
What do you think? All right. It's going to be a little tight. Put extra air in the air shocks. Should be fun, though. I don't know. All right, what do you want to tell everybody? See you on Power Tour? You got to say it, you dingbat.
See you on the power tour.
You do any Michael Jackson moves? No? All right. Wave goodbye. You got to look at the camera. Everybody's going to think you're goofy. Say bye. Right, we'll come out and he's making sure because we're trying to prepare for it, for everything, you know, to put all my tools and clothes and whatever everywhere. So my idea was I was going to make sure I upped the charging system a little bit more, and I was going to run power back here so the kids would have, you know, in the back there we'd have, you know, something for all their electronic crap, because I don't care, they're going to have it. I'm not going to make them not do it, but I mean, this ain't exactly a Cadillac. It's going to have noises and be boring at some point. So I found this right here. They already had a system back here. I thought, that's great. I'll just run the wire and I'll run that in there. I don't have to worry about it. Well, then that is an approved engineering. I don't know, but I think Derek Barry's been working on this car at some point. That is like something that he would say he would do. That's pretty good. That's better than I would have thought. Hell, I would have even cheapskate and as cutting corners as I am, I would have, you know, put an actual, you know, piece in there to get the wiring. But all I can say, approved.